and Daddy and Amber, I would like to present about nature. Here's two pine cones that I found outside when I was on a walk with our poodle. Which one do you think is the biggest?
That one.
This one is correct. This one is littler because this is a baby pine cone. It's called pine cone baby. This is a big pine cone. It's a big pine cone.
Do they come from the same tree?
Pardon?
Oh, sorry, did they come from the same tree?
Oh no. This one was from a different tree. This one from tell me what it is.
A pine tree?
Pardon?
A pine tree?
A pine tree. This one came from a pine tree. This one came from a different tree. So this is called a pine cone. This is called
A baby pine cone.
Baby pine
Baby
cone. you
pine
said.
cone.
Okay.
Okay, let's put it
From
down.
a baby pine tree.
And while I was walking, I found these two lovely things. Which one do you think is a dandelion? Which one do you think is a leaf? Come
The
on.
big one. The big one's a leaf.
I have to pick you.
Okay, the big
Come
one.
up,
The big one's a
come
leaf. I'll have to come up.
Yep,
When I come up with you.
hold these and feel them. Which one do you think is a weed and which one is a leaf?
No, that's right. I think this one's a weed. And this one is definitely a leaf. This is a maple leaf, I think. Am I right? Okay.
Good job. This is my attention. This one goes here. This one goes there. And I also found these two lovely things on my nature walk. Which one do you see has the most leaves and the less leaves? Let me see your attentive thing. Raise up your head if you want to come up. Okay, that young man over there, come up. Which one has the most leaves and which one doesn't?
Well, it looks like the leaf fell off of this one, so this one would have the most leaves.
Yes, you're correct.
Beautiful.
Yes, you are a fine discover man.
Discover
I
man.
would say. Okay, that's all for today, but I got one more thing to say. Just stay there for a second, and I'll find it for you. And I got these outside. Just let me get it. It's hard to reach. I got it. And here comes my favorite thing, and it's some bats. Scary bats, green bats, and we could say,
Where did you get those fancy bats?
oh, I found them outside.
You found them outside.
Oh.
Oh.
And we have green bats.
Mm-hmm.
I can see, and I can tell there's an orange one and a purple one.
Very nice bats.
And I put them, turn over here. I'll show you what I put them